To think about doctors operating while under the influence, but apparently it's a problem that's more common than you might think. KTVU's John Fowler talked to a Bay Area woman who learned the hard way and tells us what's being done to prevent more patients from becoming victims.
48-year-old Tina Managian said she wanted a tummy tuck, but ended up disfigured, in pain, later learning her doctor was drunk.
I was angry at first, but I was more angry and outraged when it turns out I wasn't the only victim.
She told me she wouldn't have picked plastic surgeon Brian West had she known about his serious alcohol problems and multiple complaints. This Oakland billboard, the first in the state, promotes a new toll-free hotline to report troubled doctors.
There is no system to identify, treat, and stop dangerous doctors from practicing.
Consumer Watchdog says studies show almost 1 in 5 doctors will have addiction problems at some point. It supports an initiative to require drug and alcohol testing of doctors similar to pilots or crane operators. The ballot initiative is named for Troy and Alana Pack, the Danville children killed after doctors overprescribed pills to an impaired driver. Under current law,
it precluded me from getting those doctors into court.
Their father, Bob Pack, told me today the initiative also requires consulting drug databases before prescribing and adjusts for inflation a 38-year-old cap on medical malpractice, pain, and suffering.
It will allow patients who are the victim of medical negligence to get to court, and that provides the accountability.
The California Medical Association, representing 35,000 physicians, told me by email that Consumer Watchdog support is confusing and hypocritical, that the initiative would raise healthcare costs on consumers and allow for more trial lawyer lawsuits against physicians. Consumer Watchdog says it has already collected about 600,000 signatures, needs about 200,000 more in the next 2 months to qualify this for the November ballot. In Oakland, John Fowler, KTVU, Channel 2 News.